Greetings folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's. Today I'm going to do a product overview for you guys on the DS KozyKing Forced Air Coal Furnace. So the KozyKing is going to be available in 3 different models. The 100 model, the 300 model, and the 400 model. So lots of different sizing options depending on your BTU requirements and the size of your home. So again, this is going to be a forced air coal furnace. Your blower cabinet is going to be located on the rear of the unit. This top outlet is going to be your plenum. So again, a forced air furnace is going to be designed to connect into ductwork. Furnace systems that connect into ductwork do require electricity to operate. So again, you do have the blower system. So this particular unit is going to be a coal model. Now, as mentioned on the boiler systems as well, there was Bpa changes that took effect in 2016. So again, this model was going to be sold as a wood coal combo unit prior to 2016. As mentioned, coal is an exempt category. So EPA testing is very lengthy, very expensive. So there was not actually any design changes in the actual unit other than now it can only be sold as coal, and so that's what your literature is going to state, and that's what the label on the stove itself will also state, that this is a coal only unit. So I'm going to show you inside the firebox and some of the details on this particular unit. So you do have air draft controls located on the front of the unit to control your air intake. You do have a very nice large firebox. So again, this is going to be a manual fed system. It is not a stoker. So you'll have to load your coal directly through the front door here. Located directly below is going to be your Ashpan Clean-Out. So all of your clean-out is going to be located from the front of the unit, which makes it very easy to clean and maintain. Firebox door is going to be fully gasketed, completely airtight unit. So I hope you guys find this video review helpful. If you do, if you like our videos and our information, please give us a thumbs up, click subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to share it with your friends. Thank you guys for watching. God bless. Have a wonderful day.